Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy paste videos and earn $20,000 per month on YouTube. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. I'm going to show you the channel that is working in this niche, that is data info. As you can see that these are simple data information videos, and you can see that this channel started recently, 1 month ago. Let me show you. And in 1 month this channel got about 2 million views, and this is another channel in the same niche. And you can see that in 4 days this channel got 500k views, 1 million views, 375k views. So let's check the social blade stat of this channel on. So now on we are on the social blade, and let's check how much this channel is earning with simple copy paste videos. So you can see that this channel got 22 million views in the last 30 days. That is a huge number. This channel is earning 5,000 to $89,000 per month. So how you can make this type of data videos? You simply need to come onto the YouTube and search here how to make 3D comparison videos. So you can find different tutorials. You can learn from here how to make this type of videos. But if you do not want to learn how to make this type of video, you simply need to come onto the Fiverr and search on Fiverr how to make 3D, or you can search 3D comparison video, and you will find sellers here. You can see that this seller will make a video for you in $10. As you can see, this seller will make in $35. So you can get the video in $10 or $35, and you can earn thousands of dollars from this niche. So this is the process by which you can simply make videos, copy paste videos, and earn thousands of dollars. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.